an energy update for this full moon, this Epiphany, which is today, this new year. This moon was really about somatic healing. It is about how can you occupy the space and let your body know that you are present with it, that you're going to listen to it, that you can take care of it. When energy starts flying around, it starts to raise up and we get ungrounded. When it raises up, it starts stacking around the head. And when that happens, we have these thoughts. We feel like we're worthless. We feel like we're not doing things. We start jumping out into the future. And when you drop down the energy, move it on the ground, this is where, when you feel something, start stomping that foot. And then you can stomp, crush, ground, bring the demon down. Even bringing it under your foot will tell the body and will bring the energy down into the space so you can exist. It is more where our attention drives us outward, outside our field, the bubble around us, and now we've abandoned space, and now it opens us up so another energy can come in and hijack us. So we have to pet our heart. That's somatic. We are here. Our attention is within. A lot of times when energies start flying around, my hair will turn into knots. So you brush your hair. It's calming it down. It's owning your crown. It's telling the body, no, I'm not going to abandon you. I'm going to take care of you. I am here with you. And by being heart-centered, you occupy space. That is when you open your heart up. You're filled with love, light, and grace. And the Epiphany is now through kind of the 6th. And it is such an important time because we are having all this water, and it is about water, blessing the water, blessing kind of the entrances of the home and the thresholds, and using that water to cleanse, to purify, to seal. And then with the Epiphany, the light, that's the 3 magi's, the astrologers, and they went to find the Christ, the living light. And in finding that living light, it is about the light revealing within you. This light revealing within you is what is coming to life. The light in you being revealed. You don't have to go do a bunch of things because most people abandon their space. But look within the heart and seeing what is being revealed within you. That way you'll see yourself as God sees you. And the living light comes to light within you. You're taking a new path. You are shining bright. So let the light live in you, and book a session at kimbellissimo.com. Love you, and check out my moon course, Moon Energy Works. Love you.